First, select a mode, then press Start. Auto Clicker need accessibility permission to be able to perform click and swipe actions. Press OK. Select downloaded services or installed services depending on your device. Find the Auto Clicker app in the list and enable the permission. Be careful not to let the permission notification be obscured by chat bubbles or other apps. Next, grant the Display over other apps permission so the app can add targets on your screen. You have now granted the permissions. Move the target to the position you want to click, then press Start. Adjust time between clicks by tapping on target to open settings. Reduce the delay time if you want to click faster, increase the delay time if you want to click slower. With multi-target mode, add click targets by pressing the plus icon on the controller bar. If you want to click faster, tap on target to open settings and reduce the delay time. To use the auto swipe function, press the arrow icon on the controller bar to add a swipe target. Change swipe direction and swipe length by dragging two heads of the target. Adjust the time between swiping and the swiping time as needed, then press Start to run the auto.